Hi, this is Carl Lucas at the Trevi Group, and I head up the recruiting team for engineers, architects, and leadership in technology. We help technology professionals land great new opportunities, and we help companies hire great people. And one of our clients is a solid, growing, and award-winning technology integrator and managed services provider. They're experiencing growth in their managed security practice, and they're looking to hire a cybersecurity team lead for their SOC team. It's an exciting and high-impact role that will focus on upgrading and expanding their SOC to create a state-of-the-art facility, streamlining their processes and workflows, and leading the day-to-day operations of the SOC team. It's a full-time role, and the ideal person, which can be located anywhere in the Pacific Northwest region, will have experience in working in a SOC team and will have good experience with some of the latest technology platforms for SIEM, IDS, IPS, antivirus, endpoint detection response, EDR, network security. It's a great opportunity to join a highly sought after company in a team lead role that will take your career and compensation to the next level. So if you or somebody you know has this type of background or you'd like more information, please send your resume or that referral to carl@thetrevigroup.com, and I appreciate your consideration. And if you like this position, don't forget to click below to like and to follow us on LinkedIn and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.